In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from TurboTax Live to regular. First, open TurboTax and sign into your account, then open your current tax return. If you already started a return with TurboTax Live and want to move to the regular do-it-yourself version, don't worry, your entries stay intact. You're simply changing the service level, not deleting your work. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser so you can see the full left-hand menu. From your dashboard, click Continue to go into your active return. This takes you into the main preparation screen where you can access all the tools you need to make the switch. Next, look to the left sidebar and scroll down until you see Tax Tools. Click that to open the Options panel. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your version, but the key is to reach the area that controls your product settings. Inside Tax Tools, select Tools, or look for a link labeled Switch Products. Different TurboTax versions name this a bit differently, but they take you to the same place, your product options. You're aiming to change the plan from live to the regular version. When you're in the product options, choose the option to remove or downgrade from TurboTax Live. Then select the regular DIY version that best matches your return. Keep in mind that downgrading removes access to expert advice and final review included with Live, but you can still complete and file your taxes on your own. If you aren't logged in yet, use the official link in the description to access your TurboTax account and follow along. After choosing the regular version, review the pricing summary. Make sure TurboTax Live services no longer appear in your order details and that the total reflects only the regular product. This confirmation step helps you avoid paying for features you no longer need. Now return to your tax return and continue entering your information as usual. Nothing about your data or progress changes because of the downgrade. You're simply proceeding in the regular product. Save as you go and continue working through each section. Before you move on, it's a good idea to revisit your account or order summary page to confirm the plan now shows the regular TurboTax version instead of TurboTax Live. Seeing the updated plan here provides extra peace of mind. Once everything looks correct, proceed with reviewing and filing your return. Follow the on-screen checks, and when you're ready, complete e-file or print and mail depending on your preference. Thanks for watching.